I love acting, but can I tell you a little secret? I hate memorizing lines. So today I want to give you some tips on how to memorize lines for acting. Because if you're anything like me, you probably wait till the last minute, you hate to do it, and then you're freaking out because you didn't do it. So I want to give you some tips. The first one is old school. How you memorize the lines is by reciting them aloud over and 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 over. I saw an interview that Anthony Hopkins did one time, and he said he reads the script 100 times. So I know if he's reading the script 100 times, he's memorized it. That's what you do when you're looking at something over and over and over again. Another way to memorize is to write down your lines various times, and when you're writing them down, focus on the lines. That also helps you to memorize the lines. Now that we're flowing with technology, another way to memorize your lines is to use those memorization apps that are out there. And I've listed a bunch of them in the description to help you below. Some are free and some cost money. If you don't want to get an app, you can just use your smartphone recorder. Record the dialogue into your phone and then listen back to it. You can listen to it while you're driving, while you're taking a shower, while you're cooking, while you're doing laundry, while you're cleaning the dishes. And just listen to it over and over and over again, and that will help you memorize it as well. Another way to memorize it, but I suggest this you do after you've worked on it a bit, is call a friend over or an actor that you know and say, hey, can you read the book while I'm saying the lines? That way they can tell you if you're on or off in your memorization. And that is really an effective tool to have. But please do not call them to help you if you haven't even started the process. So make sure that you're familiar with the words, so when you call them over to help you get off book, that's exactly what they're doing. They're just helping you get off the book. So please be aware of your friend's time or the actor's time and don't waste it. And if you say to me, well, I don't have any friends or I don't know any actors, guess what? There is a service you can use called We Audition. You pay for it, but they will help you out. And I've linked it in the description below for you, so you have no excuses. Now, what you can do is mix and match all the suggestions I've given you to help you memorize your lines effectively. Let me know what you think about this process in the comment below. And check out this next video where I'm giving you even more wonderful acting tips. And don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get the videos on time.